I'll get Hannah's food round her mouth. No! Oh my god! Redo! Redo! Oh, you look well nice, that's such a shame. I didn't really.
You guys want to do an intro to a video?
Hi, welcome to the video. What up, bitches?
What are we doing today, Hannah?
Driving to Bristol, and I'm nervous. I've never driven that far before. I'm a country girl.
An hour and 30 minutes.
Wow.
Wow, so long.
So long.
So we left it. You're right,
Oh my
Lottie.
god, what?
What? Do you have cheese on your bum?
Yeah, I had cheese on my seat. Are you recording?
Yeah. What did you ask, Hannah? You got
I
cheese
asked
on your
how
bum.
much sophistication
Where's the cheese?
needed. I got rid of it.
Is it from your McDonald's?
Yeah. No, don't show my car, it's well dirty. Cut that.
It was meant to take an hour and 40 minutes, an hour and a half to get here, and it took us 3 hours, so...
I think it was nice.
It was a nice drive, but fuck me, Hannah cannot drive. We're
And I'm here.
We've come to the oh yeah, you did well done,
Yeah,
you can drive. We've come to the Yogscast office. This is Queen's Park, and it's one of these buildings.
Somewhere.
I think, going off memory, it's over that side. It's that one over there. We found the Yogscast office, this is that, and up in that window up there, that's the live stream room, because that's the live stream camera.
I want to see Lewis. Hey. Okay, stand outside, guys. I'll be fair.
Yogscast.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, it says up there as well, look, in there, the Yogscast.
Oh, how cool is that?
Did you just eat out your hand?
No.
We've been trying all that time, it gets close and you get scared.
Oh, that won't do it.
You just ate it out of my hand.
Oh, I gotta leave, but I miss you. Harmonise. Beautiful. I'd quite like to.
Quite like to what?
I said, don't you ever feel like when you see statues like that, you just want to climb up and sit on the back of the horse? Although it does have a lot of bird poo on it. This is uncomfortable. What I think's happening is that we've just parked the car.
Yeah.
Which I know that because that's already happened. And then we're going this way towards
Town.
the shops.
Yeah.
And then coming back to do the...
Yeah, so we're going for like a
docks.
walk in the centre of Bristol and then going to go walk along the waterfront.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know the plan. Wow, it's so pretty. This exact drink is the first drink I bought when I got to China.
We had a walk around the like shopping place and now we are finding China, finding Asia, wherever we go. I like him.
Yeah, he's cute, isn't he? He has like a little friend.
I think we got a little bit bored of walking around the shopping area, so we're just now looking at the graffiti, which Hannah's finding very interesting. And we went to a Chinese store and we got steam. Oh, I had a vegan. Oh my god, it's all going on. I had a vegan sausage roll and that was delicious. And now I've got a steamed bun from a China shop. Turns out it was meat, so I had to throw it in the bin, which was annoying. So I'm still hungry.
People are going back because they're eating it who are vegetarian, and they're like, no, it's no meat.
Yeah, it was like loads of people going back complaining, saying, "Oh, this is meat," and they're like, "No, no, no, it's vegetables," and everyone's changing them. I just threw mine in the bin. I bought a nice drink as well. We got bored of shopping, so we've come down to the docks, and luckily I've been able to do it all off memory so far, haven't we? Yeah. I haven't been here in years. What do you think of Bristol so far, Lottie?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels like we're in London though.
But
I think.
But quieter.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. But it feels like we're in Camden, that's what it feels like. Well, my foot hurt and I think my toes rubbing, can you see?
Yeah.
The next house I lived in
You're like a meme.
Oof. Oh my god, look! There's like a steam train. Oh my god, look! We're from that, that's more important.
The kids screaming.
Just went over the ferry, okay, which cost us £1 per person. Oh wow!
So informative.
No, sorry, that is really cool.
I think we're going here, Lottie. I don't think we'll be going in for 17 quid. It's 17 quid to go in, so none of us want to pay that, so we're just going to look at it over the fence. Look.
Yeah, they are.
Like chickens in here. Hello. There's a goose and sheep and pigs.
We've just looked at the big boat, which we didn't pay for because it was £17, and I bought some marbles and a penny. And now we're going here for coffee and hot chocolate because I don't drink coffee because coffee is gross. I'm a tourist. I'm embarrassed.
The cake.
No problem at all, that's fine.
Delish? How's your cake, Anna?
I haven't tried it yet because I'm cold.
What cake is this? Delicious. What did you say?
Pollution.
Right, what's our plan now?
We go, I think we've gone into the bar.
Well, let's go to the pub. I fancy. Let's go to that. Let's go to a pub.
Let's go to town.
Let's go to a pub. I want a pub. Pint. Pint. We've run into some wild fairies. How would you like to comment? Breaking news.
I don't like that one.
Solar panel tree, and then you can plug into the bottom, and it's got USB to charge your phone. Now we're in the museum. Puffin. Got me some side boob titty.
The definition of side boob.
Lovely minerals in here. Lovely, lovely minerals. Lottie, come pick your favourite. Which one out of all these is your favourite?
That one.
What one?
The penis one.
We're not sure what we're doing now, so we've come to the pub and talking about what we're going to do. Do you know what we're going to do?
So I think what we're going to do is like walk back to the car maybe, or towards the car area, and then have like, well, we need to go to the bridge before we go to the hotel.
Oh yeah, we're going to go to the suspension bridge. There's a nice view up my nose.
Nice. And just see what's around. We've just been to the museum though. Do they know that already?
Yes.
Sorry to repeat myself.
You got Lottie?
Half a pint of Guinness,
Nice.
a pussy pint.
A pussy pint. And I got another drink. Then Hannah is mad on the water. Mad on it.
Crazy, and it's gone all
She's had
over
a-
the table
she's
because
had a-
I'm wild.
There's a whole picture.
Wow.
Did you try that on, Hannah? Try it on. Actually, try it on. Try it
Oh,
on.
I was going to, yeah.
Yeah, try it on. It actually really suits you.
Supporting the
much is
LGBT community.
£8.
£8.
Buy it.
What's it look like?
It looks really good. Doesn't it? Doesn't it look good? Is it comfy?
Yeah, it's comfy.
You should so buy that. It's £8. Buy it.
I feel like there's
That
better
looks
things.
so cool.
There's better things in the shop. Dun dun, there's been a plot twist. We missed the 7. That's ridiculous.
78. Not bad, yeah.
Not buying that.
We're now in Pizza Hut and they do like a new vegan menu for Lottie, so she's very happy.
I get the vegan hot and spicy veg or the vegan barbecue jack and cheese, which has got jackfruit on it. Do you think...
I'd get Jack, I reckon that would be nice on a pizza. It's mine.
Hang on, I've got a chicken supreme. Yours is massive, and look how big your slices. Thank you. Enjoy. Cheers. Look, we've got like all the sizes.
Massive.
Can you take a photo of mine?
Small, medium, and large. So we had our pizza, and then we saw that the Yogscast was streaming in the office, so we tried to walk back and see if we could see them, but no one's there. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up the car and then go to the bridge. It's like a big... we're going to a bridge. What is it?
Oh,
that
okay,
way.
yeah.
Oh my god!
That fucking set.
Found somewhere to park. Welcome back to the parking vlog. Yeah, we're at the bridge. I've been
free parking.
I've been to Bristol quite a few times, but I've never been here on the actual bridge. Bristol. Look how high up we are. Whoa. That's all Bristol over there. Bristol over there. Yeah. There's like a really nice like cavern, like cliff, I don't know, like ravine, something over there, but we can't walk on that side of the bridge sadly. Let's stand up here. See it? I should fly my drone.
Yeah, it makes me feel sick. Yeah.
What are you guys talking about?
If the bridge collapsed.
How would it collapse?
Like it
Final
would,
destination.
yeah, like you know, like
It would
all
start
these
like
things-
going in, and then you'd be like scrabbling, trying to get up, like
Yeah.
on a bit of.
Oh,
then it
well,
would
like
start
you'd be
crumbling.
holding bits of metal. It's all
And then
going
you
like
start
ding,
hearing
ding,
like
ding.
flick, flick,
these
ding.
would be dinging.
Yeah.
We've walked to like the top of the cliff that's next to the
This is my favourite.
the bridge. It looks so cool. It was so high.
Chris flew his drone too high in the sky, and it
run out of
kept
battery?
beeping. No, it's just warning it to say. Kids are well cute with it. Oh my god, that looks like a well indie photo of like the castle ruins in the background.
Oh, Chris, it's like going over the other way.
I know, I'm making it down. Just like in Thailand, we're going to play rock, paper, scissors for who gets first shower. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Fuck's sake.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Fuck's sake, I was gonna go paper.
First, second, third.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's like.
We just
not
saw
even
this
gonna
kid
hurt
going
at
down
all.
this like, this slidey, it's like so slidey. I'm going to go down on my pants so I don't rip my trousers. Oh. Okay. Woo! Oh my god. Ow. Ow. Oh. Oh. That was fun.
I'm so scared.
Oh. Go on, Hannah, I'll catch you at the end. No, there's a big bump that you can't go down. That's where you were meant to jump. You were going.
Wow, that was fun. Let's do it again.
Cool, by the way, I'm really low on battery, so I'm going to stop recording.
Hey, bye.
Oh, well, we might be in the hotel. If I've got battery left, I'll leave that in there. If I haven't, I'll click and we'll be in the hotel room.
Welcome to Wales.
Welcome to Wales. Now in a different country. We're in Wales, not in England anymore. What?
It's not a different country.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Wales is a different country.
No, I know. I know it's technically, but it isn't. It's the same. It's
Well,
the same
okay, so
island.
France is the same as Germany because it's on the same island. Germany is attached to Thailand. Is that the same country?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
France is attached to Thailand.
That process works.
Yes, so we're in a different country.
Okay. Okay.
You get that now?
I accepted it, yeah.
I accept.
Yeah, but some people might have kids.
You see the room? Oh, we've got 2 double bed. Oh, they've already made the bed up.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Wow. Welcome to our hotel room. Got bathroom. Big shower. And yep, that's that. And then we've got a big mirror. A wardrobe. We've got a Lottie in a double bed. And then a sofa bed. And a TV. And we've got a lovely view of the mountains. It's a brilliant view. Look, let me show you. A lovely view of the car park.
Bye bye, thank you very much. Thank you.